Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa. Welcome to my channel Together and Fun. Introspection is the examination of one's own conscious thoughts and feelings. In psychology, the process of introspection relies exclusively on observation of one's mental state, while in a spiritual context, it may refer to the examination of one's soul. Introspection is closely related to human self-reflection and self-discovery and is contrasted with external observation. Introspection generally provides a privileged access to one's own mental states, not meditated by other sources of knowledge, so that individual experience of the mind is unique. Introspection can determine any number of mental states, including sensory, bodily, cognitive, emotional, and so forth. Introspection has been a subject of philosophical discussion for thousands of years. The philosopher Plato asked, "Why should we not calmly and patiently review our own thoughts and thoroughly examine and see what these appearances in us really are?" While introspection is applicable to many facets of philosophical thought, it is perhaps best known for its role in epistemology. In this context, introspection is often compared with perception, reason, memory, and testimony as a source of knowledge. In Eastern Christianity, some concepts addressing human needs, such as sober introspection, require watchfulness of the human heart and the conflicts of human nerves, heart or mind. Noetic understanding cannot be achieved by rational or discursive thought. Introspection is encouraged in schools such as Advaita Vedanta in order for one to know their own true nature. They need to reflect and introspect on their true nature, which is what meditation is. Especially Swami Chinmayananda emphasized the role of introspection in 5 stages outlined in his book Self-Unfoldment. If you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe. If you like the content, click the like button and share. If you want to watch more of these videos, enable the bell icon. Thank you.